Andu atano maramukira urigiti thibitari-ini ya kaunti ya Garissa thutha wa mututhuko wa murimu wa kuharwo gatema mwena wa Boka kaunti-ini ya Tana River. Murigitani uria urugamirira thibitari ino Hassan Abdulahi augite ithimi ciothe iria ithimitwo arwaru aya cionanete ni murimu uyu umagumeire.
Investigations were done. The RDT turned positive for the 5 patients. Culture was also done. Stool culture was done. And out of the 5, 3 turned positive.
Nigukorwo murimu uyu wa Cholera ni ugwatanagio na njira nene, thibitari ino ni igite wodi cia kurigitira arwaru aya keheri-ini na gutire mundu uretikirio guthie kuo. Murigitani uyu arauga ni aramakio ni uria arwaru aya marakuo makirehwo thibitari, akiuga andu angi mahota kugwatio murimu uyu gacagaca-ini ino.
What's supposed to happen is these patients are supposed to be quarantined at their village called Boka, but the way they are saying they haven't got help and they come on their own.
Nake afitha uria urugamirire ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Garissa Mohamed Hassan ni yoretie aikari a gicigo kiu maikare me maitho ona wakorwo mututhuko uyu uri kaunti-ini marigainie.
Patient or other individuals visiting the county, at least they should be taking a lot of precautions on their the way they handle, or especially even the normal greetings.
Mweri muthiru andu angi eri kuma gicigo-ini o giki kia Boka ni marigitirwo thibitari-ini ino ya Garissa mari na dalili cia murimu uyu wa Cholera. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.